What's up everyone, so I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you on how I make my thumbnails. And by the way guys, before I start the video, all the mods and stuffs are in the description below. So yeah guys, let's get started. Okay, so the world is already loaded. Now let's open our inventory, then find the mod, the custom NPC's weapon. Not the weapon, I mean tools. Go to the tools tab, then select this and get this. Then on the mob cloner, press right click, then go to the poses, then click choose whatever you want guys. Okay, for this video I'm gonna be choosing running one, then spawn. There you go, there's the NPC. Then I'm gonna use the NPC one, right click, then let's rename this to York is Cool. There you go. Then player should be my skin. Then the cape should be I'm just gonna leave this black because I don't have cape. Then there you go. Let's go to movement, then set the rotation to 1. It depends on you guys. Like, I'm just gonna set it to 170. I want my NPC to be facing there. So let's select, let's open that again. 180. Let's see. Oops, that's too much. Go back then. Let's set it to 150. Let's see. Okay, that's a little bit better, I guess. Let's set that to 140, I guess. Better. Okay, that's better guys. Now let's get some armor. Like, let's get leather armor. That. Let's get some of that. You can dye it guys if you want any colors from like the different teams of Bed Wars, like that. Let's open the NPC one again. Then let's go to inventory. Put that there. There. And there. Now let's get a sword. Sword. Let's get diamond sword. There you go. Diamond sword, inventory. Boom. There you go. Now your NPC is already good. So let's click F1, then set our FOV to 30. Then I'm gonna press shift. Then this is good. Okay, this is good. Now I'm gonna position my camera like over here. Now that's good to go, I guess. Okay, that's good to go. Like that. A little bit more. Okay, that's better. Okay, now I'm gonna click F2 one more time. Okay, now it took the screenshot, so let's go back to Photoshop. Okay guys, so Photoshop is now open. Let's click File, click New, then set the resolution to 1920 by 1080, resolution 72. Then yeah, just copy the settings here and you're good. Click OK. Now let's import the screenshot. To find your screenshot, you need to click Windows R, then type this: %appdata %/.minecraft/screenshots. Now click OK. So you need to find your screenshot here. So I'm just gonna import this. Then your screenshot is imported. You need to unlock the layer, then Control A, Control C. Make sure your layer is selected. Okay, then go back to your project, Control V, then make sure to put it there. Okay, click Shift, then do that. Okay, let's resize this a little bit. Now I'm gonna use the polygonal tool, then select my character. Okay, Okay, so we already finished selecting my character. Now let's press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. There you go. So the character is already separated from the background. Now let's add some effects now. Let's click the layer 2, double click the layer 2, go to styles, then click that. You can copy my settings, guys. Go to inner glow, then copy all the settings. Feel free to pause the video, guys, so you can copy the settings. Gradient overlay, then the drop shadow. Okay, there you go. So the character is already that glowy thing on the outline of the character. Now on the layer 1, let's double click, let's select layer 1, then go to the magic wand tool. Now select the background, make sure the tolerance is on 30, then shift, then click that, just click delete. There you go. And now press Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this guy. Which is better? Okay, I think I'm gonna choose this. Yes, I'm gonna choose this. Then Control A, Control C, then go back to your project. Control V. Make sure this layer 3 is behind layer 1. There you go. Add the effect, that glowing effect on your background, so it's gonna look better. There you go. Now let's add blur, then Gaussian blur. Let's set the Gaussian blur to 6.0 pixels. Gaussian blur, then 6.0 pixels again. There you go. Okay, so that's cool. Now let's add the text. I'm gonna be using the Pali font. It's my favorite. And let's put epic. Okay, let's make that big. There you go. Put that there. Tutorial. There you go. So I'm just gonna make this smaller. On the text layer, let's double click, then let's go to drop shadow. Let's make that. There you go. And distance to 15, I guess. It depends on you guys, okay? There you go. Sheesh. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. We can add some colors if you want to. Just double click again, then go to color overlay. Add like any color you want, guys. I'm just gonna add yellow because it's cool. Sheesh, it's looking good. Let's add outer glow. It's gonna look cool. Select the color to white. Wait. Let's use this, then select the color to white. Softer is good. Okay, so both text has outer glow effect now. So what we're gonna do now is to duplicate the text layers. On the tutorial copy, remove the outer glow. There you go. On the epic copy, remove the outer glow again. There you go. So it's like the background is glowing. Okay, so curves. Then let's make the thumbnail brighter a little bit. There you go. Let's do some mixing. Then let's add some vibrance. Set that there. Okay, on layer 1, let's add a radial blur. Filter, radial blur. Then zoom. Let's go to our character. Let's move that a little bit. Then make the amount 15. Okay, So the tutorial text, let's put that behind layer 2. Okay, there you go. It got that effect, like the cool effect. Yeah. Then let's just move some stuffs a little bit. Then the thumbnail's done actually. Okay guys, that's probably it. Your thumbnail's already finished, looking good, everything's good. So yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah guys, see you in my next video. Goodbye.